The two genders. There are two genders, male and female. Males and females are different, both physically and mentally. Humans and animals can be male or female. If you have a dog, it is either a male dog or a female dog. Boys grow up to be men. Men can grow hair on their faces and are often more muscular than women. Men dress differently than women. Men are males and males are masculine. Girls grow up to be women. Only women can have babies. Women are females and females are feminine. It is good that we have both males and females. Your father is a male. Your grandfather, brother, and uncle are also males. Your mother is a female. Your grandmother, sister, and aunt are also females. We are all special, whether we are male or female.